Next topic is Pythagorean triplet. This is page number 93. This is page number 93 of Arya book Depot class 8. Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet is set of three numbers in which we can set the formula among all three these given numbers, such as a square is equal to b square plus c square. Suppose a number is 1 and b c given, then here either a square is equal to b square plus c square, or b square is equal to a square plus c square, or c square is equal to a square plus b square. In this form, any one, either this condition will fulfill or this condition will fulfill, or third one condition will fulfill. For every natural number n, where n is greater than 1, then 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1 is a Pythagorean triplet. For any natural number n which is greater than 1, 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1 are the Pythagorean triplets. How? You can put the value of n is equal to 2, then 2n, n square minus 1, n square plus 1 will be 4, 4 minus 1, 3, and then 5. This is the Pythagorean triplets. Here 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. If n is equal to 3, then 6, then 9 minus 1, that is 8, and 9 plus 1, that is 10. So here 10 square is equal to 6 square plus 6 square. So these triplets 4, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. If n is equal to 4, then 8, then 15, then 17. So 8, 15 and 17 is the Pythagorean triplet. You can check here, the 17 square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. Point number 7. We are doing the properties of perfect square. Point number 7. 7 is saying, on dividing a perfect square by 3, either 0 or 1 is left as a remainder. On dividing a perfect square number by 3, either 0 or 1 is left as a remainder. You can check one by one. 4 is there. After 4, 9 is there. Then 16 is there. 25, 36. All these numbers are the perfect square numbers. So you have to divide by 3. That means 4 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 16 divided by 3, 25 divided by 3, and 36 divided by 3. You can check in all these cases either the remainder is 0 or 1. Here remainder 1, here remainder 0, here remainder 1, here remainder 1, here remainder 1, 0. So if you divide the any perfect square number by 3, the remainder will be either 0 or 1. This is property number 7. Property number 8. Property number 8 is saying, given the units digit of a number, we can determine the units digit of its square. If a number ends with 1 or 9, its square would end in 1. If a number ends with 2 or 8, its square would end in 4. Given the units digit of a number, we can determine the units digit of its square. If the number ends with 1 or 9, its square would end in 1 and 9. And if in 1, if the number ends with 2 or 8, its square would end in 8. You can check 1 square is 1, 9 square that is 81, again the unit place is 1. And here you can check in the case of 4, that is 2 square is 4 and 8 square is also 4 at unit place. Property number 9. If n is a perfect square, then 2n can never be a perfect square. If any number is a perfect square, then 2 into that perfect number will never be a perfect square. You can check here. Some numbers are given which is a perfect square. If you multiply by 2, that number will be 8, 18, 32, 50 and 72. All these numbers are not the perfect square. Point number 10. A pattern is given below. A pattern is given below. And see the pattern. This is 1 square, that is 1. 11 square, that is 1 to 1. That is 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4. That is 2 square. 1 1 1 square, that is 1 2 3 2 1. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is 9, that is 3 square. This is not equal to sign. It implies that 1 1 1 1 square, that is 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Will 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. It will be 16 and it will be the 4 square. Similarly, dot 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 81 is equal to 9 square. Now till 8 36 here 36 and here 9, so 72 plus 9 is the 81. So this is the pattern you can see. This is not equal sign, this is imply sign.